Hi, this is Justina Mimamuna Makwaba. Welcome. I wanted to show you a quick dinner that I made in under 30 minutes. I had friends coming over after work and we had yoga at 7, so I needed to make something fast, delicious, and yummy. This homemade salad dressing was amazing. I will list all of the ingredients in the description box. In my kitchen, I love using what I already have in the house. So this quick salad dressing was some olive oil, lemon, some honey, some pumpkin seeds, and onion, salt, black pepper, and I just kept it moving. If you do try this salad dressing, let me know in the comment section how yours comes out. Remember, have fun in your kitchen. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. Make it fun, make it adventurous. Try new recipe and just whatever you like. Combine ingredients to see how it comes out. You never know till you try. And just like that, my salad, it is all ready. I garnish it with some blueberries, some pecans, and cranberry. I love plantains, bordere, cocoa, whichever it is, sweet, green, in between. I love it. My body also processes it really well, so it makes it better. You can check my video last week on how I made this amazing drink. And just like that, my dinner was all ready. Salmon, sweet plantain, salad, and homemade green juice. Remember to like the video, subscribe, and share the channel with your friends.